Okay, friends, for our math journal activity today, we're going to get our sheet that has 2 pencils on it. Now let's read the directions. It says, I can cut and color. Cut out 2 pencils and color them in yellow. So our first direction is to cut out the 2 pencils. And now remember, just like we did last time, we're also going to cut out the directions. So I'm holding my scissors and I'm alligator cutting. Chomp, chomp, chomp. And I'm cutting out neatly around the dotted lines. Okay, so I have my directions cut out. Now I need to cut out my 2 pencils. So again, I'm going to stay on the dotted line and cut, cut, cut. And remember, you shouldn't cut little scraps of paper out. Okay, so 1. And I'm going to cut out pencil number 2. All right, pencil number 2 is cut out. And I'm going to look back at my directions again, putting my scraps off to the side to throw away later. So cut out 2 pencils. I have my 2 pencils cut out and color them in yellow. Let's learn our song for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. Like the early morning sun when the day has just begun. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. Like the early morning sun when the day has just begun. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. I'm going to add a little detail to my pencils. I'm going to color my eraser pink. And add a little bit of silver or gray. All right, friends, now I'm going to open, and I'm going to go past that, open to the next blank page in my journal. So I have my 2 pencils cut out. I'm going to use a little bit of glue. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue my directions in. And then I'm going to glue down my 2 yellow pencils. 1. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. And 2. And then I'm going to write the number 2. Remember, just like we did with the number 1. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to go around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. And I'm going to write the number word 2. T, W, O. Okay, friends. If you need to pause the videos when we're working, you can click pause, or you can watch the whole video and then do it when we're done. All right, do your very best math journal work.